Hello students. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of adjectives. Let's learn together. Adjectives are words that are used to define the attributes of a noun, therefore they can be used to modify or specify the noun. Now, let's learn the types of adjectives. First is the adjective of quality. These adjectives tell us what kind of noun we are talking about. For example, the novel was incredibly engaging. Then, proper adjective. These adjectives are derived from proper nouns. They always start with a capital letter. For example, the Spanish city we visited was beautiful. Next is the adjective of number. These adjectives tell us how many or how much. For example, I have 12 stickers. Another is a demonstrative adjective. These adjectives help us point to specific nouns. Includes this, that, these, and those. For example, this math problem is tough. Next is the distributive adjective. These adjectives refer to individuals in a group. For example, each student got a different assignment. Then, interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used in questions. They help us find out more about a noun. For example, which teacher will supervise the trip? Also, the adjective of quantity. These adjectives tell us how much or how many of something appear. For example, the kids ate some cookies. Lastly, we have possessive adjective. These adjectives show ownership. For example, their victory was hard-earned. Let's learn the comparison of adjectives. Positive degree. It describes a noun without comparing it. For example, the puppy is adorable. Comparative degree. It compares two things. Add, or more. For example, the puppy is more adorable than the kitten. Superlative degree. It compares more than two things. Add, est, or most. For example, the rabbit is the most adorable animal in the pet shop. Now, let's learn the order of adjectives. When using multiple adjectives, there's a specific order: quantity, quality, age, shape, color, a proper adjective, and purpose. For example, they loved my beautiful old big green antique car. Opinion, age, size, color, proper adjective. Now it's your turn to answer. Which type of adjective describes ownership? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.